This is a 360 video. It means that you can look in any direction by moving your finger on your phone or your mouse or your VR unit, and you will see what I saw in any direction. Usually with any camera you would have to look in the same direction that I'm pointing, but with 360 you can look in any direction. Try it on your phone, your computer, or with your VR and look in any direction to see what I am seeing. You may have to look at this video several times to pick up, because when you're looking in one direction, you're missing stuff in another direction. Enjoy.
You wouldn't believe it, but this is just picking up everything. You, me, the ground, the sky.
How long do you have to let it sit? Tell it.
Because I'm not moving, and the person is basically checking it. I give it like 2 minutes.
Am I going to be a big blur?
If you want to be, I can do it.
No, I mean, like, if I keep moving, is it like...
Doesn't matter where you do. And I try to tell people that, and they don't believe it.
Is it going to show like 20 me? 1 me?
No. You just move the screen, and you're moving just like you move your head. In any direction. So for instance, that bumblebee. The person will be able to zoom in and see what it looks like.
It just flew like right here and then...
Now this is picking up everything at 5.3 feet. But YouTube offsets it to 4 feet. And then even lower, because what happens is you really have to have a good internet connection.
Pressing it.
Yeah.
They don't want to use that much storage space for whatever. Right? That's our explanation.
YouTube used to have up to 8K, and then they decided they're not going to. Maybe one day they'll bring it back, but I think that's not a good thing. Are they is this lake life in here? Fishes and stuff?
Yeah, they're stopped, so they're not natural. But yes, there are lots of stuff. This is more of a recreation lake. Where we go more strawberry, you'll see more fishing. And it's way bigger. And then when we get it, you'll see it more in person, but they had to fill strawberry, the inlet, the water is not big. It's a creek, it's like a little bit. So they, in the 60s, had to steal water from the units, build a big canal over it. I'll show you the stinks of the water that come in. That will definitely be one that if we leave Heber City, go up the canyon, I say we're leaving Heber. And from here I'll say we're going from here to there, we're going back above Midway. And from there up to Strawberry, you want to stop at Strawberry. So I'm going to put that on the top, way above this.
Okay friends, so this is DEER Creek